Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Ram Queen. In today's video, we're going to be making black eye beans. To prepare these beans, you will need white eye beans, fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, 1 onions, Maggi cube, crayfish Maggi, palm oil, crayfish, dry fish, and dry shrimps. I'm going to be using half of the onions to boil the beans and using the remaining half to fry the stew. So guys, this is my beans already washed. I'm going to be adding 4 cups of water with the onions as well. Then I'll cover it to cook for 40 minutes. So guys, beans take time to cook, and you better cook it well, because if you don't cook it well, you're going to be eating chunks of beans. So these beans can go with anything at all. You can use it to eat gari, you can use it to eat bread, you can use it to eat rice, guys. I love my beans with gari, but I'm not going to be using gari today. So please, if you know you haven't, like, subscribe my video, please join the family and let's grow together, guys. Let's grow. If you have anything that you think you want me to show, please leave a comment below and let me do that. I love your feedback, guys. So I'm expecting your feedback on this video. Leave a comment below. So this is it. The beans is ready. I'm going to be heating the oil up. I'll allow the oil to heat for 2 minutes. I'll be pouring the onions in. Then stir it and allow it to cook very well. I'll now pour the blended ingredients in, then combine it together. So at this point, I'm going to be adding the dry fish. I will now add the dry shrimps in with the Maggi as well. I'll be adding the beans in. So at this point, I'm mixing everything together. Make sure everything is well mixed. Sorry guys, I did not show you when I stirred the Maggi in, but I showed you when I put it in. My camera was really giving me a bit of problem, so I'm really sorry about that. So guys, this is it. The beans is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. See you on my next video. Bye.